Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with GMC Pro Safety Plus, integrated cargo liner, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, safety alert seat, premium cloth seat trim, OnStar guidance emergency communication system, cross traffic alert, rear park assist, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, roof mounted luggage rack and side rails, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.